Alright, let's do a quick video talking about how you mine proof of stake coins and meme coins with Minerstat. So coins like Shiba, Solana, Cardano, and many others. Um, a lot of these, like Shiba is a meme coin that just like ran up. Uh, if you mine it, you're able to get a lot of the Shiba token, like a couple million tokens. Just keep them in a bag. You know, if anything were to happen, even though most of us have already missed the opportunity. Solana's been popping off lately as well, but Solana's proof of stake, so you can't technically mine Solana or Shiba or Cardano, but there is a way to potentially mine and get paid out in coins like Cardano, Solana, and Shiba, and it's through unmineable. So with unmineable, you're able to mine a lot of you can mine a lot of different coins, meme coins, proof of stake coins, Pancake Swap, Shiba Inu, Solana, Cardano, Cosmos. There's Binance Coin, Bitcoin Cash. You can do Bitcoin as well. Dogecoin, even though Dogecoin is on script, and you can use the ASIC miners to mine Dogecoin and Litecoin together. There's just a lot that you can do with unmineable. Obviously, I think there's better pools um, for like Ravencoin and for some of the other coins that are on here, Ethereum Classic. Um, but a lot of the other coins, you know, would be cool, you know, to just be able to get some more Cardano or get some Solana or get some Shiba or, you know, Binance, something, just get built up in a lot of things. So with Minerstat, it is a little tricky to set up unmineable, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to take Shiba for instance. So since we're using Minerstat, we don't need to download any of the miners. We are going to be using T-Rex miner just because it's one of my favorite ones. Um, and since we're going to be using some 3060s, we're going to be doing ET hash instead of Ethereum Classic, Kapow, or RandomX. So based on the GPUs that you have, it will determine which algorithm you're going to mine, and then you can choose like any of these coins, Shiba, Cardano, Solana, whatever. It's going to be the same for the algorithms that you mine, and then you're getting paid out in that coin that you're wanting to. So based on, you know, if you have smaller VRAM cards, you're going to use like Ethereum Classic, Kapow, or CPUs, you're going to be doing RandomX for CPU mining. We're going to be doing ET hash just because we have some 3060s. And we're going to, first things first, we got to get our pool set up and then get our address for Shiba, and then we'll set it up and get it going. So for the pool, you can use global server, which will like auto select the one closest to you, or you can manually select. I'm in US East, so that's the one I'm going to be used, so we can copy that. And we'll come over here to Minerstat. We're going to go to our address editor and our pools. And you can see I've already put it in here because I was testing it out earlier just to make sure that it worked before recording. So I named it unmineable ETH, and then right here is the address we just copied. I like to put for some of the pool addresses, I've noticed that it doesn't work unless if you put the stratum plus TCP in front of it, so I just kind of put it there to be safe. So stratum plus TCP and then the pool address. Now we need to get our wallet, and there's many wallets that you can have Shiba on. I decided to go with Exodus. So I named it Shiba Exodus and then put in my wallet address. The key here with unmineable, any coin that you use on unmineable, you have to make sure to put the coin, colon, and then the address. If you don't do that, then you're not going to get paid out correctly and your mining is going to be worthless. So SHIB for Shiba, colon, and then the Shiba address, because that's what we want to get paid out in. So then you save that, and then we come over here to configure templates, and I'll go ahead and delete just so we can set it up fresh. Do add new template, and here we're going to actually type in, instead of Ethereum, you know, like ETH and going there, we're going to actually do unmineable, and we're going to do unmineable ETH hash, and we're going to choose T-Rex miner, which is right down here. Simple, we're going to do unmineable ETH hash. We're going to do our unmineable ETH. We're going to do Shiba Exodus, password X. Our overclock settings we're going to set as our ETH overclock settings, just because that's what we are mining is ETH. We're going to name it, let's do Shiba dash T-Rex dash unmineable. Now, a couple things to note with having LHR cards. You're going to want to come to advanced, or I guess stick to simple and just edit, and it's going to flip it over to advanced. You're going to want to add the LHR tune colon, we'll do 4, just because LHR is going to come into play with my 3060s, so I'm going to set the LHR tune to 4, just because that's the standard for most LHR cards on ETH. I'm sure that there's better tune settings than I can do, but just for the purpose of the video, we're going to do LHR tune 4. I'm going to click Save Changes, and I'm not sure why it kind of errored out there, so we're just going to come back in and double check. Okay, not sure what the case is. Let's do it again. ET hash. We're going to do unmineable ETH. And then we're going to do Shiba. Let's try editing one more time. I'm going to do comma LHR tune colon 4. Save the settings. Looks like it saved that time. So now we'll come over to our worker. We're going to do the 3060s. We're going to come up here to switch, and we're going to do Shiba. So we're going to give this a second to initialize, and once it has initialized, then I'll be back. Alright, and we're back. Let's go ahead and refresh one more time. And there we go. We're doing unmineable ET hash, T-Rex. Got the new update, 24.7 that just came out. We're getting about 53, 54 mega hash, it looks like. Getting like 26 per card. Seems a little low. I may have to mess with the tune settings and overclock settings, because we should be able to get like 30-ish, even with LHR being involved. So sitting at 26 on both, which is fine for the video. So sitting at around 53, 52, 53 mega hash. But a couple cool things to note. So if we come here to our address editor, And let's grab our Shiba address. And then we come over here to unmineable with Shiba. We can roughly say, okay, so we're getting like 53 mega hash, which should give us around 77,000 Shiba per day, and 2.3 million Shiba in a month. So if we mine for a whole month, we should have around 2.3 million Shiba in our wallet. So if we come in here, paste our address, we'll see, you can see because I was testing it earlier, and then I stopped the test so that I could start the video. So couple cool things. So you can see how much mega hash you're getting current and calculated. Once it's updated, obviously you want to give this stuff like an hour or so to update. You can see your payments when they've come through. You can see your stats for what your balance is, referral balance, total balance, what's paid, when your last payment date was. The payment threshold is 1.5 million, it looks like, which is fine. Based on the hash rate we have, we should get 2.3 in a month, so we should be able to get 2 payments, roughly, or like almost 2 payments in a month, 1 payment for sure, and then another one. So right here it says current mining fee 0.75%. So that will probably update back to 1%, because what you can actually do is it'll start out as 1%, and you can actually give yourself a lower mining fee by taking your referral code, which I'll just copy mine right here. And then what you do on Minerstat is you come in here to your, we're just going to edit the current config, and then we'll edit the config file as well. But when you, oh, that is super weird. Let's go, I'm not sure what's going on here. Edit config. Weird, it's still showing Firo in the config here. Let's, I'll show you in the config template then, since I don't want to mess with that. I'm not sure what's going on there. But for Shiba, we'll come in here and edit. Oh. The most annoying thing here is whenever you do an advanced setting and then it comes back to simple, it looks like this, even though your advanced one is set up. Super, super annoying. But what you want to do is actually here with your worker, inside the parenthesis, you want to add in hashtag and then your referral code, and then click save. And then we're going to go to our worker and we're going to switch it again just so that it puts that in place. So we're going to go here to Shiba unmineable, and now the config will switch and we will have our referral code in place, which when you initially set this up, it's going to show over here that your mining fee is 1%, but when you add in your own referral code into your own batch file, you can drop your mining fee to 0.75%. So you can get a little bit lower of a fee without referring anybody, which is pretty cool. So not sure how that works with the rest of the coins, but we're going to try it out with Shiba and see how it does. So that's how you mine Shiba and how you mine other proof of stake and meme coins with unmineable. Thanks for watching.